Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a squirrel eating a nut. So we're going to start with the little squirrel ear. It comes up and it's got this little body that comes around. It's got this little head, just like that. Now, one thing that makes a squirrel so unique and definable as a squirrel is it's got these big eyes on the side of its head. So draw a big sort of almond shape to show the eye. And then there's the squirrel. We're going to come back in with his hands in a minute. Let's finish the rest of his body. So his body is going to curve around like this, and he's got this big puffy tail that comes out like so. And the squirrel has these little feet that come out like that. And then he's got his body. And he has, if he's eating a nut, it's going to be in front of his face. So his hands are going to come out like this. And squirrels do have these kind of distinct little hands, even though they're tiny. So it's got one in the front and one on the other side, which we can't really see. And we're going to put a nut here. That's the nut that he's eating. And then his other hand is holding it there. So that's really all there is to it. Of course, you can't really get in to show the detail of the squirrel eating the nut unless you were to do something kind of silly, or like he had his mouth with like a nut in it or something like that. His teeth. But as you can see, he's got his hands on the nut, and having a picture with it up to his face indicates that he's probably eating it. That's a lot of what art is. You draw your picture and then your brain fills in the missing parts. So if you want to get into a little bit of detail in the tail, you can. You can put a little bit of fluff on his tail, like that. And a lot of squirrels also have this kind of white belly. So you can put a little white on his belly. And they have dark eyes, so you can color his eye in dark. All the while the squirrel is eating his nut, he's watching you, making sure you're not going to try to get near him or his nut. And that is how you draw a squirrel eating a nut.